Hey, what's up, guys? I am Tech. Welcome to our territory. The OnePlus Z is coming. Yeah, the rumors were pointing to the arrival of 3 OnePlus smartphones. However, just 2 of them were released in the last week, OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. Apparently, the constant problem raised by the COVID-19 pandemic had delayed the construction of the third device, a mid-range smartphone dubbed OnePlus Z. Yeah, this particular handset will be released eventually, and that will be sooner than we expect since live shots emerged with the elite smartphone. The images have been revealed by the Slash leaks. They show the highly anticipated smartphone display in all its glory. We can say that unlike other devices on the OnePlus 8 series, this variant does not have a rounded corners. It's a rectangular smartphone with a flat display and mounted bezel. Moreover, it comes with a center-aligned punch hole for a selfie snapper. Unfortunately, there are no real images revealing the handset back. However, some leaked renders in the past reveal a triple camera setup. Moreover, we have a 2020 trending rectangular array fitting the 3 shooters. According to rumors, we will have a 48 megapixel main sensor and a glass finish. Rumors also indicate a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 SoC with 5G connectivity is powering the beast. Yeah, this is the point where OnePlus fans are split. Although the newer MediaTek chips are more than capable, the company's bad reputation regarding software puts in doubt the software support of this headset. Some of the rumors say that the specification of a OnePlus Z is here: 6.4 inches OLED, 90 Hz refresh rate, under display fingerprint scanner, MediaTek Dimensity 1000 SoC, 8 GB of RAM, 48 megapixel plus 16 plus 12 main cameras, 4000 mAh battery, 30 watt fast charging, Oxygen OS 10. However, we are still not sure if these leaks are to be taken seriously. But from the information we have gathered so far, the OnePlus Z will be coming with a flatter screen, moderate bezels, and a hole punch camera right in the middle. It is really hard to tell more about the device at this point because we have no other reliable information on the device. Based on the speculative specification, this phone will be the first OnePlus device to feature a MediaTek SoC rather than a Snapdragon chip. If OnePlus Z becomes a reality, it will not be a first time that the company will be taking the route to an affordable smartphone. They have previously released the much beloved OnePlus X back in 2015, and that phone was a success to say the least. Considering how both the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro cost as much as the competition does, it would be nice to see the OnePlus Z being an option for those who are looking for something more affordable. Unfortunately, these renders don't seem to show a headphone port, which is a big disappointment. We have seen flagship ditch the port in recent years, but mid-range devices have largely kept it. Yeah, there are a couple of differences between these renders and the OnePlus 8 series design thought. For one, the punch hole cut out is in the center here rather than off to the left. It also looks like we have a dual camera setup rather than a triple or quad camera as seen on the OnePlus 8 series. And this camera housing is off to the side rather than the center mounted like its flagship. We also saw an image emerge earlier this year with some claiming that this is OnePlus Z in the wild. The picture shows 3 rear cameras instead of 2 as seen in the one leak's renders. The source of the image is actually OnePlus itself, as the firm held a live stream with executives and seemed to show off a dummy models. We doubt OnePlus would show off dummy models if the design were representative of future products in the first place. So for now, the only leaks images are about as close as we will got to seeing the OnePlus Z in the flesh. Until OnePlus decides to launch it, the OnePlus Z was tipped to roll with a MediaTek processor. That's not very common in a device that's released, but given the OnePlus audience for the OnePlus Z shouldn't make a gain difference. The processing power of this smartphone will be more than enough for the average user. If everything we have seen in our OnePlus 8, the OnePlus Z will be relatively low cost, high quality smartphone made to aim for the average iPhone SE customer. About room specification for the OnePlus Z will be primed to battle Huawei in all sectors. Yeah, that's about it for our OnePlus Z rumor hub. Let me know down the comments below what your thoughts about the phone. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.